Hello, welcome to my channel. And now I want to explain about air purifier. Uh, Currently, there are a lot of news about air purifier. This is one example. They put the air purifier in the corner of the room, and they claim it can help us prevent coronavirus infection. They use this test, this chemist tool, to say that the output is clean. Of course, we wonder why a device that put at the corner of the room can perform that way. Here, the child is at the bed, and the air purifier is far above, far beyond him. I wonder why they do not put this air purifier beside the bed and choose to put it a bit far. Other example, we can see, this one, another video. This one, another product of air purifier. They say, and they have a room contained with air, and they inject a virus within, and then the virus will be gone. It's already a matter. I don't know if there are a method for that for virus. If we have something that convenient, why we don't see it? We don't see a medical medical office or something carry that device on the street and read the virus reading on the street. If we have such kind of device, it would if the coronavirus won't be spread this severe. So what happened? I think the ionizer, the air purifier or anything like that, or air conditioning with filter, HEPA filters, cannot prevent virus infection. I have this example. They said that the most effective way to reduce particles is significantly boost the airflow and increase the air exchange per hour. So that means it takes time. It cannot clean the air directly. If we use air purifier between us and the sick people, is it polite if we use air purifier between us? I don't think so. So I think air purifier is not that effective, even if they claim that the air filter in the air purifier is much finer than the virus. It says 20 nanometer, and the coronavirus are larger than 20 nanometer. This research show this is the research from EFA air disinfection using Kronos-based air purifier. We can see how long it takes. It takes 60 minutes to clean the air from what is this? It does not mention what is being cleaned, but it takes 60 minutes. Oh, this one, air suspension. So it takes time to clean the air, and that is logical, because if we use the air purifier in the other room, then our room cannot be clean enough. If we use it at the corner of the room, the other corner of the room will still have the virus. So I don't think air purifier is a good thing. Now we see another research. This one is another one. This one for positive and negative ions. This is for ionizer. Ionizer now is been forbidden because this is ozone. It also generates ozone. So ozone generator is said to kill virus, but at the safe level, at the level it do not do damage to people, it cannot kill virus. Here is it. Ozone generator can produce indoor ozone level several times higher than the set outdoor 1 hour and 8 hour standard of 90 parts per billion or 70 parts per billion respectively. So ozone generator is not allowed, but here we have research about their effectiveness. They mention this is this one. It mentioned that the difference between a positive and negative ion. So then the positive ion is not is the worst between the ionizer. So positive kill the virus slowly, and the negative kill quickly. There's another thing. This is another version, but this one a negative. So the main point is ozone is not that easy to happen. There are polarity between them. So there are positive ion and negative ions. The positive ion have negative damage. Which one is this? Sorry, I forgot which one. This one. This research show that positive ions do bad things to human. This one. So positive ion cause the animal to be agitated, aggressive, and more prone to respiratory illness. So maybe the bad effect mentioned that the Californian is happened because of positive ion. So again, this negative ion, negative energy station of electrode, do still need time. So this one need 50 minutes, and this require more time. So it takes time. This one too. And this is a sharp plasma cluster. It measure in minutes. So this one compare ion with fan and fan only. We can see that with fan only the virus do reduce too, but with ion it will be quicker. So the other tests. This one the comparison. Plasma cluster is a product from Sharp, but they sell it to Panasonic too. It became Nano G. In this one Sharp. This one LG. There is plasma cluster in a LG air conditioner too. So this which one is the this one shows the difference between negative ion and positive and negative cluster ion. So negative cannot be as effective as plasma cluster, positive and negative cluster ion. The device is very simple, just a plasma discharge between an electrode. There is ground, discharge plasma, and high voltage. The device itself is small, just like it. The previous one is also show the device. Which one is it? This one only negative ion. Sorry, maybe this one is different. Which one is it? Oh yes, this one. This one show the negative and positive thrown together. This one show the time. This is global Sharp. So it mentioned it need 200 minutes for airborne mode. Oh sorry, this one. This one airborne virus. 99% virus suppressed after 9 minutes with KX and 18 minutes with FU model. This one needs 7.5 hours operated at turbo flow. This one needs 10 hours at high airflow. So we can see that it's not that fast. So suppose there are people that visit us and he carry a virus and sit down for 15 minutes, we do not get protected. Sorry, this one is long. This one should show the effect, the diagram. Sorry, it takes too long. I don't know what happened. The alternative for ionizer is this one, ultraviolet. But as you can see, the people move away when the device ran.
And we believe that
The people must leave the room.
That is why it is important that we have this machine.
This is normal because ultraviolet light can make the skin, can destroy skin, and the worst part is if it takes to the eye, then you can have cataract, you can be blind because it's some say it is like you see the sun directly and 10 times more powerful. So an ultraviolet light that can kill virus is 10 times more damaging to our eyes than the sun. This is not loading this. Sorry, let's ignore that. So what we can use to kill the virus? Well, there are no real cure today, but I use this one, as you can see in my previous video. I use this one, but this one is the simple one. This Zapper, I don't know how effective it is, but I already used this one. This one, when it work, this one helped me cure a fever, a flu. So when my son or me get a flu, I can cure it within not completely cure, but the runny nose is better, the fever is going down. So it not do not take about few minutes, the fever and the flus will be gone. So I hope you can try to. Sorry, if you want to see the description, see that my previous video. I will add it later. I forgot which one I added. So my conclusion: the air purifier do not help because it takes too long to clean the room, especially if you put it at the other room. It does not make sense if it can directly kill the virus when you put it behind you when there are other people came. You cannot use ultraviolet because otherwise it can blind people. You cannot use ozone as or ionizer or plasma cluster because it takes time to clean it too. The same thing with disinfectant, for example, from sodium hypochlorite or alcohol, because it may not clean it completely unless you ask the people who came in to directly jump to the pool which contained sodium hypochlorite. So I think we should be more careful than that. So we should not rely on air purifier or anything like that. Either it contain plasma cluster or ionizer or ozonizer. Please don't rely on that. Maybe if you are crazy, you use a big ozonizer, so your room is full of you have room full of ozone, and people hold their breath and come in to that room and going. Maybe that it can clean the virus, but remember that if the people that came itself is contagious, is infected with coronavirus, you can prevent that because the ozone, the air purifier, anything that do not clean the virus inside the people, It only clean the virus outside the people. So be careful, be more careful. Do not rely on air purifier or ozonizer or something like that. I'm sorry that we can only separate from other for if we want to prevent infection. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching.